You know that feeling when you're ready to pay, you pull out your phone, and bam, seamless, contactless payment? It's pure magic. But what if your go-to card, your Airwallex card, isn't quite playing along with that magic yet? Are you finding yourself fumbling with the physical card when you really want the convenience of Apple Wallet? You're not alone, and today, we're going to fix that. We live in a world where efficiency is king, especially when it comes to managing our money. Airwallex has become an indispensable tool for many, offering fantastic exchange rates and global payment solutions. And Apple Wallet? Well, it's revolutionized how we pay, store boarding passes, and even unlock doors. The natural synergy between these two powerful platforms should be effortless, right? Sometimes, though, the path to digital nirvana isn't always a straight line. Maybe you've tried the usual add card options in Apple Wallet and hit a snag. Or perhaps you're just not sure where to start when it comes to integrating a business-focused card like Airwallex with a personal payment system like Apple Wallet. The good news is, it's entirely possible, and once you've done it, your payment experience will be smoother than ever. So, let's dive into the simple, step-by-step process of adding your Airwallex card to Apple Wallet. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just clear instructions to get you up and running. First things first, make sure you have the Airwallex app downloaded on your iPhone and that you're logged into your account. This is crucial because, for many business-oriented cards, the integration often starts within their native application. While Apple Wallet allows you to add cards directly, sometimes the most reliable route for a card like Airwallex is through its own app. Once you're in the Airwallex app, navigate to the Cards section. You should see a list of your active Airwallex cards. Select the specific card you wish to add to Apple Wallet. Now, look for an option that says Add to Apple Wallet, Add to Wallet, or an Apple Wallet icon. Airwallex, understanding the need for seamless integration, usually provides a direct pathway. Tapping this option will typically initiate a handover to the Apple Wallet application. You'll be prompted to review the card details and agree to the terms and conditions of both Airwallex and Apple. Double-check that the last 4 digits of the card displayed match your physical Airwallex card. This is a quick verification to ensure you're adding the correct one. Once you've reviewed and agreed, Apple Wallet will begin the activation process. In some cases, a quick verification might be required. This could be a one-time passcode sent to your registered phone number or email with Airwallex, or a prompt to contact Airwallex support for final activation. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This security step is designed to protect your financial information and ensure only you can add your card. Once the verification is complete, congratulations! Your Airwallex card should now appear in your Apple Wallet. You can set it as your default card or keep it as an option alongside your other payment methods. Now, the next time you're at the checkout, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or the top button on an Apple Watch, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and tap your device to the payment terminal. If, for any reason, you don't see the Add to Apple Wallet option within the Airwallex app, don't despair. You can still try the traditional method. Open your Apple Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and select Debit or Credit Card. You'll then be prompted to either scan your card or enter the details manually. If you choose manual entry, input your Airwallex card number, expiration date, and security code. You'll still likely go through a verification process with Airwallex to complete the addition. Adding your Airwallex card to Apple Wallet unlocks a new level of convenience for your global transactions, making payments quicker, more secure, and incredibly efficient. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.